These sounds are fantastic. Sounds. E, oh. I'm gonna give you sounds today. More sounds. Ah. Hello everybody, this is JP right here in another awesome video, and today I'm gonna teach you some pronunciation words on sound. Let's go right there. So in total everybody, I'm gonna teach you 4 sounds, okay? And these sounds, a motorcycle was just passing and some other cars, okay? Sorry because can be a little bit noisy, not too much, okay? 4 sounds everybody, and these are vowel sounds. And the first 2, wait, am I holding 3? 2 sounds everybody for today are E and E, okay? Remember that, E, my bad, E and E. For example, you guys are going to have these and this, right? These and this. The other one is seat and seat, seat and seat. So try to practice everybody. These 2 sounds are not so difficult, E and E. The other 2 sounds, alright, for today are you have to open your mouth a little bit, and one more time, you open, and the other one not too much, For example, you guys are going to have cat. Oh my god. And the other sound is cut. When you cut. One more time. Cat. Cut. Another example, you guys are going to have lack, right? When you need something and you don't have it. Luck, right? Lack, luck. Remember that? This is it. This is all, everybody. Thank you for listening to this, sounds. I mean, we have practiced 4 so far, so try to do it at home as many times as possible. These sounds are not complicated at all. You have E, right? You have and All right, try to practice, try to find more examples online. Well, these sounds were 4 vowel sounds. There are also more vowels and consonants. So little by little, I will be giving you videos like this so you guys can practice and you guys don't confuse sounds. This is it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.